Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to cancel your Edreams Prime subscription easily using the official Edreams website in 2025. So if you don't want to be charged again, or just don't need the membership anymore, this step by step guide will help you cancel it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. So first open your browser and head over to the official Edreams website. Here you can see on my screen, and make sure you are logged in using the email and password you used when signing up or Edreams Prime. So once you log in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon. Here you can see on my screen, here is my profile icon, and name, then choose my account. You can see this my booking, manage my booking, store travels. So my account, from the drop down menu, this will take you to your personal dashboard where you can manage booking, personal info and subscriptions. Here you can see this. So manage my booking, this to then now scroll down a bit or look for the Prime subscriber. So here you can see this. So click on it and you will see the details of your current membership, including your renewal date, benefits, and the cancel options. So click on cancel option and answer or unsubscribe for Prime. So after clicking cancel, Edreams may ask you to confirm a few things like why you are leaving, or if you are sure you want to cancel. Simply follow the prompts and make sure to confirm your cancellation. On the final screen you should see a message that says something like your subscription will end on date or cancellation successfully. You will still have access to Prime benefits until your current billing cycle ends. Once cancellation, check your email inbox. You should receive a confirmation email from Edreams stating that your Prime membership has been cancelled. If you don't get it within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folders just to be safe. And also important things is make sure to cancel at least 24 hours before your renewal date to avoid being charged for another year. So you can always check your renewal date in the Prime section of your account dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Edreams Prime subscription through the websites. No need to contact customer service or big through menus. If you found this video helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.